Hey people, so this is the first time ever I'm reviewing a Kannada film. It's called Ayana, and it is on Netflix. And it's basically the very opening of the film. You know, the opening shots are this guy on his bike, and the entire it's thanks to these drone cameras you can capture. You know, it's the aerial view of a beautiful wooded. These people who can take off on bike rides and drive across these wooded forested areas. It's just beautiful, but this movie, it's been said that there's more English in this movie than Kannada, which is very reflective of how things are in Bangalore, like, especially Bangalore in particular is very cosmopolitan, right? So that's what people, I mean, a film like and the actors are all said to be theater artists, so in certain places it's like they get confused that they feel they're part of a play or something like that. So that is a little slight drawback of the film, but on the whole it's a different sort of film, so you all can try and catch it, people. It's called Ayana. It's a Kannada film on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.